I Asempa 4.7 most of Akonta Joe. Memory da and memory de be a bonus siane fase couple of chia and a day Abrokyire Nkomo at the Bremo. Na so the mecano, but to coin for papa soon to coin. I continue here. A free Abrokyire if it is here, ye to coin. A free Abrokyire if it is here, and no matter to coin. Migration intramuda. Migration intramuda. If you crowd through fear, if you from Kopo or Bakra, migrate. And the Professor Sophia, to say, Canaman Kenny, ya, bro, from Obema Kenny in our Hassy. Me see so through fear, echo a fearful from Sir Kopo or Bakra or migrate. Because one anti crana of baby, I want a baby for from. Inti, I count you, and yet what for playing quana ya count you, or be free. Ebia kaswa wanantie dru body asisi say ya make say kope oba migration obo anu aka ho ne mom no okọ no edie na wugina so ema wode akodru krom ho ene ye behwe enoma bia ebeboa yen si pese etu kwan ko obi man so a say ye ko obi kro so ne akotena abobra no esese ye factor noma bebre ese de noma bebre tutu na kwan mu ni senti no ene menya nimdifo mako miensa ewo fidua mu ha saso na yenua no momotu kwan akoduru eye Gulf states no omo PR baako esoso yene ne bedi nkomo ayedi no ono so be mayen normal ekoso ho a yen omo ahu ansa na omo tu kwan na so bi ba ho so a obehu se ampa afi me kosa krowi so a de se me hu ni iti ene ebedi nkomo akwa akiri pa na menua no mienu minti o mansa menua no minti o mansa o se on na busuafo tu kwan no abusa panyin nkra o de ama ne ba na o akwantum ne yentie no
se fa tu kwan okoya aka kese na adeto ntu wure fi wo gofi se wona na sa se da kokoben ne ton de ma odi tu kwan wo fa jamana ni first kan be fu obi enya sa ye be pe kwan bi so amwaba wote yo wo de first kan to ka na fa hye ko tu akese ene combat wo ba ba to ya wa ha wo be tu ani da ko na agina kotoka
so what the abusapanyi ni eka ye disika no ma o se ko na fa kobo bra na fa bra fie na the combat ni akesesem na wo de ye wo ho no ma wo be tu ani na kotoka no de oda wa ha airport no be renovation every day wo ho na wo gina ha asembeba wo fa so of ase ko du ye no so ensema o ka kire wo fa Ghana ni yentie no
Tabia America Abrokyire mani ham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofu badua ni nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wo fa mesu menya Abrokyire minti wia hane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wo Kotoroka International Airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire kokwa ase ne bode ne ho fa mram wo fa adwane ne wia hane minti wia hane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wo pepepepe wo fa hu be hunga Tabia America Abrokyire mani ham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofu badua ni nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wo fa mesu menya Abrokyire minti wia hane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wo Kotoroka International Airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire kokwa ase ne bode ne ho fa mram wo fa adwane ne wia hane minti wia hane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wo pepepepe wo fa hu be hunga Tabia America Abrokyire mani ham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofu badua ni nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wo fa mesu menya Abrokyire minti wia hane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wo Kotoroka International Airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire kokwa ase ne bode ne ho fa mram wo fa adwane ne wia hane minti wia hane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wo pepepepe wo fa hu be hunga Tabia America Abrokyire mani ham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofu badua ni nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wo fa mesu menya Abrokyire minti wia hane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wo Kotoroka International Airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire kokwa ase ne bode ne ho fa mram wo fa adwane ne wia hane minti wia hane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wo pepepepe wo fa hu be hunga Tawia America Abrokyire Maniham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofo baduani nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wofa mesu minya Abrokyire mintim wi ahane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wokotoroka international airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire koku ase ne boode ne ho fa mram wofa adwane ne wi ahane mintim wi ahane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wotepepepe wofa hu behunga Tawia America Abrokyire Maniham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofo baduani nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wofa mesu minya Abrokyire mintim wi ahane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wokotoroka international airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire koku ase ne boode ne ho fa mram wofa adwane ne wi ahane mintim wi ahane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wotepepepe wofa hu behunga Tawia America Abrokyire Maniham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofo baduani nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wofa mesu minya Abrokyire mintim wi ahane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wokotoroka international airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire koku ase ne boode ne ho fa mram wofa adwane ne wi ahane mintim wi ahane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wotepepepe wofa hu behunga Tawia America Abrokyire Maniham bae no ndowara amania mi fanu abrofo baduani nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi paano ahane wofa mesu minya Abrokyire mintim wi ahane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kina ho nkoma ne wokotoroka international airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire koku ase ne boode ne ho fa mram wofa adwane ne wi ahane
se edwan ne ewi ahane a ye de yetibe akachire mo say ye de ahane no yenwe ahane no nti aha ya Asempa 4.7 mo so fuko kwa makwa Akonta jo technically technicians need check one or two things I think say in studio ha no there it's okay here but I think say going on air no and major technical you had ma it had a setup, you know, tacticians nigusa or more a share bibia amaye. So that bekai and Yanugusu say, ye share a contumum sem. Memory that enemy me debiano. Ye be too quiet, ye fa compassone into quiet, and no, and I'm to debia make ene menya penny for me and son. A bar migration or more a demo akotinipa, a bar a kweku ahudwa or macoma boom, a say. Yenu mutu kwan a omofa kwantempon bi so a enye no ombehwe no mafa kwan paso akodo ni brofum ne ka se eye CSO for no omo secretary ti ha a coalition of obatomudi men ka hwe kwa chiri technicians I think say Joel everything is okay right eti aha aya Asempa 4.7 musofo kokwa makwa Akonta jo memreda enmreda bia yehyiam de yadwenkyira yakobi manso yakohu de so aya bafie so no normal yehu wa ha yaka ne nyina boma ne de adwenkyire se de be ya oman no ebetu mpon afa no ntomapa efra abusuafo timi boaboa normal no de ma obi so ontu kwan na kopa bibi mrafie oduru ho a no da ya combat se de na abusuapan ni ka kire ne wofa ase se obetine ne okotoka Sasa no wafa asensu koduru osi kro no koduru ho no bibia ya hane aduane ope kontomre ni kwasusu ani body apese bi adikura edema no ne entina ma enoma ye de agenisem eti ofa ososo hwe noma yi kosi koda obi man so nsem ye kan bibre aha eya Asempa 4.7 mema mempanyfo akwaba I think say everything is okay now. Yo. Beko a reverend. Mami, Reverend Naku. Me mo akwaba.
Yenua.
Mo voice ni mrana.
Yenua.
Yo. Na meko Professor Kusi. Prof, me mo akwaba.
Me Josepa.
Sasu na meko Madam Cynthia Adi, with the full name in 19. Cynthia Adi, me akwaba.
Yeah,
Joe, I Asempa 4.7. Many samo now chimo painful share Emma motor suffer multimedia, Mammy Bijam multimedia, Nemo, a migration workshop, I just say, GIZ and IM for Cabo Muse. And no maybe because 2026 year, yes, as a city meeters in year to a normal piano, said the Bay international conference policies are more than 2 and because no, you better na Ghana so no, yen as I say, it me, I don't know, maybe a good acquaintance me at the core, said the Bay, a boy, you're going to send your money and none animal to crying a bit my boy or more. Far border restrictions, ne documentation, Juma ni no ma bebre. Eti enwumre ye trans ni ahwe ade ba kwa me ba ye Tom Akoma so pa eye akwantu hwe eye ba obetu kwan a eso fa kwampa so e kwampa na wo fa so no e wo no ma bebre ho no ma asayintimi nka ema omo yaka ne kwampa so be say eno an bebre so nya visa no nya visa no dia office wanya ne kwampa so nti kudura na osai aboa so no e wo bi ban so yebuso Yakase obi ebetu kwanya eso nya pre-training before departure. Meti side na eye adibia tomakoma pa ma ka. Eti yebehwe mesha se free say ma muto tu atwebe ma dem ba se minisa abebu no nko. Ma to tu omo fa ntwere omo dem. Wo be ma na ogitu no basa de abo wo ba na. Ade bechi na o ma me no papa ka cho so na atoma no nti wo be ne dey. Eti ne Benkum dware nifa na nifa dware benkum enoma bi koso iti de wan say be chance ya frame san nifa so meko eye reverend aku reverend odi ni fu ni nyina e be kan say
Reverend Aku Honam Kevi
Aku Honam Kevi jo ahifa na osom and I say ahifa and now you reverend
me a lead pastor of Glorious Abundance Ministries International. Sorry, all a pass, and your branch for Kenya, your other branches, and so. Sorry, me na me lead pastor.
Lead pastor. It's what you international.
But trying.
And now, CSO.
Yeah.
Dear Cotina would do a honour.
Yeah, and
CSO there.
Civil society organizations ye bomu ye hwe akwantu nsem apart from akwantu nya akwantu nko so mo Ghana so muntu nkwan ye but e bi o me displaced mo ye trafficked ye chechechi omo di omo koto kwan a enyemu nti NGO no ye obebre omo ye adwuma bebre obi wo wa ase na wo kan no obi wo ho ye obi betu kwan a se nia obetime tu kwan ehe na obetimi akọ okọ ade na wo ho okọ aho kire wo aho na wo bekọ sa NGOs bebre a omo kekan kasansemi na wo hwa aban so wo ne oye na CSO so wo ne oye but this free last 2 years near obi be a friend Global Compact for Migration. Now, I went for your training, be no more fresh years so for in migration and no more so. Yet me for be beyond far bind so because here so far so yen your baby. And jom this year so for money na year migration a boom, me say mene kai for na year juma nti obia ne ne one ne year juma me sister wa han so me traffic no obia ne ne ahoye enti ye na ye boom as aban so ye ne meetings ayen so ye kobi yan so ye trainings yan so ye meetings enti me ye mu secretary nti ye ne awoka sa oba ye no CSO for migration in Ghana and organizes our training no GIZ for any IOM for na support ye Ghana put a report be together for International Migration Review Forum US and Ghana so throwing a report and it's our training na ye no say yen NGO funds you better asie na yen so ya hwe nya ye over the years from 2022 yen so den nya ye ebi wo wa ase ye trotro nyoma ya asa NGO for be feel say adwuma yen ketenkete but wo di bomu a eye kase na ye the reporter kan aban de ho na ye the akọ training no yes
Mati a reverend minister can
That's one.
On a secretary until you come on in Abuma on the secretary to a chair or no share a year kayayo a mema ne money normally I attack a man or kwane kayo but almost a mema any money me call in the middle na Professor Kusi Prof so a nimdieni Prof also so chire wachikakra
Mede Samuel Yakusi, Assistant Professor in Marketing, University of Bradford. But me also in charge of head of branding and partnership for Ghana Scholarly Society. And my background no eba school no dia me chere marketing and eba Ghana Scholarly Society na me hwe senior edin be gina yi ena nkitahudie impuntu ene se ye pesen krofo eti ekuo ne nka no mo hwe ade ayeye nsema wo kan no yenso efa ye ho efise yenso yetu kwan na ekoye no ma ye be kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm nim eniema wo si pre training no ayade ayebu ye ne aguso for so long
right that me call a nyakasemi aba ho Cynthia so down where the me so tumedia o si eso no moye.
Yes, me FM Cynthia de many international news Ghana na ejuma na ye there no ye mostly no ye share trafficking issues into we say migration there ka e adepa but most of the times no ye kwa nsem bebre to me eba e man ko for ye vulnerable na way into ye there no mostly no ye ejuma we Ghana has say na recently so enya cases in free other West African countries until we are part of other coalitions yes we share migration and trafficking issues in Ghana
right yene in ya ba so na akasa no ono so Cynthia so kan no oni ye maame reverend otumi so mo nyina oku ba ko ba to bia oba odina ne hwe enti e ba bedi komo a eye ade be boa Ghana fo nyina se akwantuo no ye njai tuda anopa mi hu no ma bia betwa mu call eye atifi na anwumre omotwa mu call anafo efi se emre nyina mu no se de sitie no wo be fu se enoma na etwa mu call se no mkoye den omkope omo no aduane obi a watena temala shibi achepa no ene na ya say area ho Ramsia land na ho no it drew occasion you abun say enoma different if you free baby no ma be gu meaning chrome wo so no whether na sesa ho nti no omo no aduane ananse bibia so omo ye no eti na so omo migrate kope eti omo no say omo nama this is the area omenya sa aduane bi dia bo omo ho bai omo betra ha na whether na so sesa pe no mo say free ha unhu omo biu eti migration no enye enipa nko a emo anyina ka ho bi yenuanom omo Mali Niger omo timi na ntwie fa kwan mu saa be duru baabi o de bienu nenam e be duru baabi na mo na ye be se du na omo wo kwan ya ngunu Mali ho abo no ye be wo na e bia krofufro so ye be ba be duru kro bi se ho ne ye ton no e dia support omo nam ne ye na eti yeso ye nam no nyese ye ton ye na mom ne yeso support abusua in a way etina utie parliament a omo se ye den ye be kind budget e drew remittances are no be out 10 aso e ya 24 ye remittances na e de ba no ye kase ke ye ne ye mpa de fa kwan mu mponu no de fa kwan mu no e be ka ho a e ka Ghana ye mabusia da neso so no de wa chiri ne ye question mark mesha se free reverend ye kase pre training Otiase ni say
mentiase ne say obi a akwantu odie sanka bebi a wote wo man eya ebia na nka obi mpese obetukwa na say bi wo nso a yetukwa akohwe of course with globalization say nyawe bibresi wo wi asento obi anso be say otukwa akohwe se ne amano no tie wo pese okọ school nyama bebre ana say intermarriage o wari obi foforo wo foforo so ene ne keka ho so eno na ama akwantuo aye necessary te say me say a me de bia me ka say me ne ka ye for ye adwuma obi say na ka ye ni obe den wo Accra ono so for better life ono so it just for a better life, just to see what is happening in other countries, also for exposure, for education ye na ye to kwan but na ye to kwan a preparation no ni animu ane say obi say oko country we a say ni na besi enti no now so have our passport na obi aka cho so connection man bi wo oje 5,000 utua 5,000 say dollars so say Ghana cedi say euro utua we say na besi na obi nso so afa ne passport no akofa sa kwan ne so ebe wie so obekọ no na senya ye ka say ebekọ no na nkọ ne sa eti pre-training no na ehu hia because ema hu one baby a woko opportunity se wo baby a woko se woko na se nyoma nkọ se ne a wo pe a hwan na obetime ne na kasa baby a ebu onso utu kwan a unya obekwa koto obi ubekwa kosi obi so se utu kwan na kosi obi so ade o udu bedu airport na bia obi abefa wo anase obi amefa wo kra obefa train wa obefa train free ha kwa ha say udu say a obeye say that information is very very good nti ana obi a etu kwan ya onya ya na nko ni obi ni obi a ne ho kire no nti pre-training no is to help the migrants so obehu ne right say me a me etu kwan so me so me all right say menya bambo me so me all right say yenkoye me ayakayaka de ebia wo kwa wedu airport bi airport na ede wakwa kwahye dan bi mu edan na wo mu no wo all right utimi kasa ye obibie uti hwa na obetimi ne nakasa nti pre-training no eboa ma wa wutu kwan no one wuti baby a wo konase ebi kwa wo hoda enti wuti baby a wo konase wo ye den hwa na wo hye no wo kire wa hwa na obetimi aboa wo ema wo a lot of information ema wo nimdie na ema wo to because ebi obi wo a otimi kwa bruche no kwa bra ankonyasa basic information na ankokwa anke ye mbonemba ebi wo a udu airport a questions e bebisa one hwe ye kura one ko anse ye ni asa abo waba enso na nka wo documents bi bia ye clean enti no pre-training de wo hia pa sana utu kwan with confidence akonto onya bone enti hu nia hu se mi koi medu airport e bisa me ase na meka se me ho kire me a Ghana fo wa ha a metimi akohwehwe omo ye consular ye embassy wa ha sa nyoma na obo otu kwan onim enti na ho kire na kire na keke nti pre-training they are very very important and a lot of NGOs also engage in that, government also does that so that it helps but go for be brain nti eno aso afa ne passport ahoko na ne ho kire na akokire no
doc also so there na be beto the ma kan so reverend kan so
ye wo asofo ye mu die yen hwa de Luke chapter 9 verse 1 eba from no o say na Yesu frɛ na suafo no omo tumi ene ahoden sɛ omo nkɔ abonten omo nkɔ sayare into ahohom na omo mfa nsɛmpa no ema afoforo Yesu kurampo no ebe soma no o kyerɛ omo ema omo tumi ema omo nimdie baabi omo kɔ na o kyerɛ omo sɛ ukɔ na yanje ofo so a propronasia anwea na frifie ho nakɔ kyerɛ sɛ untimi nsɔre prɛko a sɛ Yesu mpo no asuafo no agenkwa no o se omunko ekuro ne adidi so nko kansɛmpa no wa mo omutumi bi kyerɛ sɛ wa hye omuden abi omani ama omuniema akade omode bɛkɔ ekuro no omukɔ ne so nti saa na ba asetena ni mu a untimi mfiti prɛko pɛsɛ wo pɔse ni nyina bitu agufom o bɛkɔ no nhwehwɛmu bɛn no waye yenuanu bebre hwomo mu kɔkeka nkuro so ye yakayaka de efiri sɛ nimdie no na esua uduru kuro nim kurampo no a wan kasa no fa ahodie no etesen asem to wa hwan na wokɔ ne nkyɛn ekro bi wɔ hɔ a wodifo ɛdɔɔso sankro no so kra no ye wɔ Ghana fo wɔ hɔ obi wɔ hɔ a oduru kro no so a Ghana mpanyimfo wɔ hɔ a na ɔmo si Ghana aban anim no ɔmo nim kra sɛ nipa no wɔ kro no so enti asem to wa gisa afi no ɔmo kɔhwehwɛm obonefo no so pebone adi a nhwehwɛmu no kra no ɔmfa ma ne abɛhwe akyira kwan enti ni nyina ne sɛ wobɛti ade no ekro na wokɔ so no ɛdin na wɔ hɔ ɛdin na wankasa wokɔyɛ wankasa no wobɛtimi akɔyɛ de ba ade wɔ kro nim sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a wohwɛ de yɛ ma ne bi de yɛ mema ne bi efiri sɛ na oninim de yɛ maame kasa minim krofo bebru wabedru airport di oka kire ne se omra no me makofa ebi mu airport da di oka kire ne se omra no obedru airport ofre no wanfa me wo ho no ofre me ami tu ka Heathrow oba nso be ka kire ne se emane mma na wo ka kire obi se emane mma onti ade na sefi se obeka se ho nyaa ne ebra na me makoka adwa mu na me tu fu samema no wo ka che me se ene bra na ye nyina ye ba hwan ne betu omo wa ha ne fo a kire omo kwan na omo mfa so mra no enye ye sa pacho wate ase enti se yen ye kwa ekwan ye be fa so ne moko e be kɔ yani no wo ba ye so sa ka se ha wo fa moko be kɔ wani enti men konko fa ho ni nyina agina hoboa no hwan ne tu fu ye se Canada abaso enti nkrofo bebre ama omo bag so omokɔ ebi mu kɔ ye no omo ho akɔkire omo sena net ye no de wo se yehu ni se emrofo no omo nim nyansa pa omo de numbers na ye adwuma enti omo ti omo kromo no wa hyehye se ye hia nipa ebia 100,000 anase nipa mpimudu anase empemo ha na yede abehwe kronim ama krona gina efise ye hwemrewa a omo beko pension omo de omo adwuma eba awiye enti omo de saa akontabuo no ena epe edom ama mo be hya anan enti so munya nipa ni wie pe ye to pronim enti wote ha sei no sei ye se Canada ye se UK enti de wonim so mo to pronim enti se wantie parliament mrahye bedwam nkomo mudi no ene bebi omo hyehye krona koduru ase se UK se wo se home secretary ne ba na sen ya wo se ordinance san ye eba efri se nipa no omo hia no abroso ekane no nurses na ebi mu ye locum ebi mu ye part time sei enipa dom no omo twidi koye no na ye wo nurses wom enti omo ko care home koye adwuma no oye exams nurse for exams no pass ya ye de ne koke ye yi na Africa ho akọ regular nurse enti ma feel gaps ni nyina ama sei na edin ekroma no muti kromo no ma wi adwuma pe nurse adwuma no
oba wi school pe
oma wi nurse akotua nimde no enafom madam for ba ko ba ye radiography ekromo ne ye wo no oka imrofika sa wi
oka enene bi
na ubisa se nipa dodo se ne wo krom ha se ya omo wo sa information no madam for ba ko akọ Canada nyame nkwa na ni tuto den nsem senia ye si draw ade ne kire no no eno ko drew ye no me si ka kire se onya abotre bi sa ensem no te wona sumu no
ye no akohu
ya danfo ba ko kra me fa no no nko fa na me ka kire se me minime ka kire wo enti sa preparation aye ma make no enkrofo bibre anti ade na se da se abra na no bi afa kra no e ko sensuo ni bi
yo aha Asempa 94.7 Abrokyire Nkomo se de make no aha ye de be ka ne se betufo ye ka se mentu kwan de mom kwan pa na abefa so no na de bia ye bo hu daro ye ni nim di fo bebre ene kasa wa ha ene sa panel we I think se metima amanta mo for the past the next 3 weeks cra kamepe because pre-training no we plan here definitions ni e ma I feel na ye be taking one after the other abrofo here no ma bebre wo mu kru mo ho which is human resource account. But nipa deɛ wokɔduru adwaa mu a na wokae fie na wontumi ma ɛyɛ asɛm. Cynthia, then also bɛka.
I can't remember best also no. Men to ask if baby I papa engineer no. Say information ne dey ye dey man call for bebree. But most of the time some feel say o mo dey no e be different. Sisi anu yenya social media. Yetumi call online kra ko hu nyama nkofo femu nkofo share mo testimonies and experience. But still la nkofo person mo call baby na how no e wono. Nti media ne say information na dey ma no. As whether we are using it or not, no, and also any panel so. Right. You best me ama bibia, you best me there to social media so. But one kind, and now when to me important nyama bet to me use to the udu come no so. For example, your ma number say ebia could do na Asempa a friend number we no one fan show with you na paper now the kono era and then we be stranded. Right. And then I'll use the opportunity to also talk about the human trafficking aspect of it because. Again, it's migration, but deception. Tada and call for to make a choice. Oh, I have say no ejuma wo oba obet me yasika ama umpe bo bibi a kire wo.
Me njira wo kakra ha. That is human trafficking nye obi a wawia obi ede na ekọ na emom wadada nipa.
Mostly ne ndanda. Ana coercion. It to be forcible to call.
So force dey I say mabaha. Na maba be wia obi ba no na ya na normally ye mu biti say wia obi ba de ne ko ba bi bia fa ne say Ghana ha kra particular biti because say yakofo bi okra we ase de ne ko nsuo ho so nko ye adwuma trafficking child trafficking any but there can ye depa no wanyini onim yes or no or no o tu no fo no onti near trafficking no on the way or no onim part but near neko afro could drew
no who say
some misrepresented information.
Yes. Into you share. Yes. Into I share some of the traveling agencies. No, me body, but we should be more. Or me back at shows. Oh, it may be waha. Ne sanya manu. Ye call France. Ne now my disca. But uba copy mo now. Ebi a Cote d'Ivoire and I say another country na enka plan no because ebi information now receive you know. And now the ejuma. So mostly there's the elements of force, and then there's also the exploitation part.
Right.
Ebim's one him so this type of job, but udu honoma scan a car said be no yeah farm because their contract or we invested won say on no baby awe do no into ese on so online interest and sana won so one started say oh je with you know. Into it's a lot of factors and yeah.
Okay, yemra you be used to factors be. Remember Reverend what the domano esa the cool domano what's your bad time Akonta this make eye ye mo fanity ye busua fotie ye maame papa no tie enne obi ne obi ti odi nkomo a yeso edi nkomo a se sika ni nie fa ne koma me se eno so de eye plan worker eye good oko sa nipa no ade na si o de sinani so ansa no akọ
o kasa na me kai se unse me yesofo in fact me kwa me beni na me sha nkomo so
o de nje
ya de cry more serious because ya de se Akonta Nkomo no
okay
yeah ya de se Akonta Nkomo no
right
so ubakọ Abrokyire but one of the things SSC ya de ka ho any counseling
okay
etime nyame ado mako school minim mi wonim de
right
enti se me sha nkomo wie na wo ba even po bia ye mfa se me sha nkomo se obekọ Canada na Canada pon aba still Canada pon ye be discuss o ko ye den because me de bia me ka chen crofo say timing of income yes ko da ben 2016 2017 2026 wo ko ye den wo ko twi form wo ko ton ade wo ko school conditions ben na wo around ni awko sorry some dey run come shame but
oh be yes.
And asofo no
yeah.
se mamboa wo yi a December me so be and I just received the prophecy and testimony and me so be come so we go Dubai nkofo yo ma beche me so be come so we go Dubai
Kuwait ni wo so tie o
and any Sunday me message say nipa no go Dubai well me sa me hwe say mami Dubai pon na bie pon ni
do
you understand?
Yeah.
Meti masha nkom so we go Dubai, but Dubai no Dubai ben. Dubai o koye den. But me kra me tie testimony no seriously me wo dwiri me.
Right.
Because ne nipa na ka no ama me suro ma no. Enti ye say adwuma we na very serious job o. Say wo se nkom no. Pre counseling.
Pre-counseling, yeah.
Yes, very important.
Yeah.
And yes sir. What shall come we walk or do feel, but what happens to the person? And a nipano testimony or Sunday, or say, and crofo bre, or say sometimes a Juma ubenyano, and crofone in Count Casa. And told me why yakayaka dear. Oh, I want me phone, so the
second part,
but me do fear pen and nipan descend them. Ayakayaka dear, ye no. Ye young crofo. No de nyame adom ye nya na yakayaka de na me bisa me ho say enti adwuma na move no another place no koto nkrofo a omo nka ne kasa will this testimony still be there oho na wo ho anu asafro o se ka me pa bo mu o bo mpa ye mami o nkom hye na nko yi o you know enti no sa ye role as yeah, preachy, yeah, come, yeah, interacting with people, and very, yes,
travel,
because Akonta ni Akonta keke,
yeah,
utu kwa ukoye den, you know, ukoye den, ukono, wansu na ukosi na meka se, me tu kwa several times, me kwa mkodu obiyo, me kwa, nadi pana fame, not the makofie, and it's always been exciting. It may be something who says me do. Na so bia meshiamo airport na bia ya ma me map yese fa say ko say ye say ebe ye det sesanya asese me kwa eye de na eti eye very important say me asofo no me so me hye nkrofo nkom me preach ya ese me very sensitive about direction me ko ni na aka pre-training ne ho. Oh, so ama a lot of reflection because within these few days, the last week, in conform to Quine near Omu film, I shared the experience of Lady Bioko Morocco, New York trafficking, Nipa Pankasa Nipa Pankasa Nadenako. And now, baby, our kono, ye Juma, Nipa Padam for Wako Tanan and Chen, or ye Juma and Panin actually sick and I know, ye nurse in Mawa Ghana. And of friend me no usu. And I say, Mammy, maybe or me prayer lines, so my person back Ghana. I'm say, bra, na to usu o bre. No, say, ne papa so one chase can we are. Ne papa war no, so
papa or no contract.
Yes. So when chase can we are. On to me, ma. Oh, now we all con one carry and chile, winning baby oko. No, see, or ye a house nurse moi, or see, or Jenny salary, or say, coming manco, or Jenny salary GPB, see, or chief form, no, we so not in Sika bar, or Papa Ban said, Never banamful, or this can one if I bring a tim pepe, or no so called Jenny Sika. No one said your woody account. It is said, ya model roy ye near proper campaigns, na ya educated community, sir. You could be ebia wo adwuma ye twa ukaye a wasoma jo ya shen kom se obetu kwan na me bisa Akonta obey ukoye den uko akoye workshop aba uko akoye side scene aba ana ukotena sen
uko ukru ho
uko ye adwuma
abusua ho ana je na ukoye
eti ye my information te say me am ye software no esi my information na you making sure say you follow up with proper training, proper discussions. Me nyame adom kofo be saba back to me. Say nti you can win nti me yan a day. But 2 examples here me okay back ko America Dubai. Nipa na ma me nchen eno na me nya testimony so ko. So akọ no so akọ ni say you. So akọ ni say you. Meaning
ba ma ne hunu ba e de wakayo.
Obe debi amane hunu mai. Se se de na somadwo no.
Osomadwo no. Ba wako hunu nua no mama ne hunu.
Amane hunu.
Eno to ma wo.
Eno ka
kire. Ba ibu na mama ne hunu ba ntimi kan direct.
How would you know? How would you know?
Because prof, you have education. We bring a online. Schools be bring universities be bring my scholarship. Don't call for use advantage, you know. Say, oh, bet me near school or university or I bet my school near scanning. Say you drew hard no more. Be I come on near. This is sort of pre-training before traveling, no. On education, dear Nabeka.
Use pre-training no. Broni bie ni ho a oma scholarship a or the befa connection man so. No way. Omu ade ba ko mu chiri ye connection man. Just say a registered service provider. Omu no omu wo contract. Sorry, madam. Omu no omu wo contract say omu e recruituma university no. So say omu e recruituma university na when you go to the university website ubehu omu ankasanso website no company no website ubehu if you are in doubt call recruitment center of the university omu be catch you say ampaye ni we mu dealing. Apart from that, no bruni bi enu ha o ma scholarship just obi and I call this scholarship in the amount. It doesn't work out that way because omo or the scholarship ne ba bruni or do scholarship na sikane da bank dada or many part 10 any part 10 no or ye sure said ni part 10 no ye cost £1 million £1 million no ya deposit wo account to nim dada. Enye se wo ba bedru on ye de scholar ye de sikana yakope sikana ma wo broni oni sikana on our scholarship,
you know, which is the embassy representing the country corner corner.
They know omunim. It is a university way University of Bradford Mimi University no se omuka se ya awodo 100,000 £1 million the money has been put in the account. Omo disikane to account nkura nsan no my announcement say apply. Enye se wa ba no na suku ni koye adwuma na omo kope sikane de aba. No. Se sikane omo fan to account ni mu a omo announce scholarship no. Omo announce scholarship ni so a rules no ho. Un say Ghana ye problem ba ko pa ne say ye ahase no whom you know ni ye adwuma. Enti whom you know ninti no sa adwene ni hye yetirima nti sa pre-training ya ye kan me ha me ho kra ye mfa nkosi connection man so na onkoye mayen Ghana Scholarly Society ye conference no so koye website wa ye ne connection man bia ni hweye because ye nim se connection man ni bad ye ni mu a conference ni £175 obekwa akoju obi £10,000 a day. Enti no connection man. Enti sa wo no wanko kan a me sankrofo bra frame free Ghana ha ye pe scholarship o ya me se twen na me mbo akire ma na me de me kasa me bo akire onim de me ye me di school ne link with scholarship na emma direct scholarship bia broni be awodo university bia no o tron krofo abetimi contact o mudin sha ase. No waka or general inquiry any a person specific say abia a PhD programmer PhD program na say bia a project PhD program you too project no say professor nankasa akonya contract na bia company bi wo problem no ko solve problem na mo and a UN amesika say yemfanye project no na UN for say for PhD for 4 enti mu amoba no school no website or ye betro me na me ye lead project no officer ye betro me dia hyase enti sa okofa contractor bi middleman connection man bia enya me na oni me deal no enti all the time no information no website or but ye mentality ne say me here connection man me here protocol broni connection man ni protocol no onim enti sa okọ website wa Akonta school biye wo Europe uko US Australia ko Canada UK braho school ni website no se wan ko yesa ye giu sika dia o free school no be ka say sorry man I don't know you don't know him what you talking about sabe no aye kwase na ogina ho
me de card ya wo kan ho mia madafu pa the baba the same school you see the panel koye na kofa documents I say printed out from the online in the any school ama ya fa visa na man akra no
yeah
eti ne mame e call another school I just have no nya sa link to go to another school to check say the banner desk I will bet my ban school to see BBA not knowing say fake document or them our
and our files so
and files until you ban after 10 years
yes 10 years untimi na Akonta 10 years no kran kire say 10 years ni wi a omo de be ma wo because a criminal offense
so eti no enye Ghana ha na ne ma me no hoyo inside now no wa fe when you the right to say the prof AK you know after home office as uncle to you affair I didn't quite na home office this is a case I will ban or the document ABCD near ya Ghana ya refusing all this you know 10 years I mean in seguridity almost about £30,000
Oh
first no na the fake document kwa say wo fa papa na de ma wa home office for no will try to find out from papa ne maame no and no money so munyom to mu change law ne say the document into you have to take the disclaimer say document we no say me de upload na me click submit no a home office for nim obia the whole world immigration wo was submit application no wo ena ye ne wo ka asem no enti so maame no papa na de ma akra na ye fake a omunimomo wo na wo submit application no enti obehwe no se mitimi hu TV so bi se ukọ online platform yi so media platform yi so bo se enkrofo ko comment section no say school bi wa ha adwuma wa ha me problem ne say online channel no a news channel. Why do you allow people to put fake news? You don't delete. That is another issue. So I was say media houses no. On say bi when they publish news now, they allow people to comment. Osha, there's one particular online idea. Akwa bi de bi oyo say opese opese jiwon kwa free nsema ye say misinformation na America ne bi no. Enti no ukwa ase so ana obi so abetro say opese okọ school wa hai na say enti nkrofo pese o mo kire say over my monitor o mo for 4 years
na mo no see Joel utie omo buy site ho betro obetime to kwaya fa we
yes
ye programming ye stream life almost so no push go
credibility checks ben na media houses na say information na asemesi dia to say call this line no I was say quickly your credibility check anywhere the media house has to delete it
that means we have to delete it now
yeah
Joel what you na now monitor
enye Joel nkwa na me say platforms be bria ma check here me was high issue no enti ube hu say me ebi wo a ofa na ye credibility check na number ne kro de a share ade ne so no eye fake
yeah
na woni sankrofo no so no onu omo emare mfi say fraud for no se o de phone no frɛ omo a ebi mo tie ebi wo de phone ne fra yenye security checks kakra cyber security o de phone ne frɛ omo a they get access to you So when you say Akonta yeti obi betimi anya access to a laptop yi, o TV, smart TV, wo wadum no obetimi aso ahwede ekoso wo fie.
Prof, you be call detail or maybe as security, you know. We call city ah. Yeah, share so Mami of Mami Kai Reverend Kai, you know. Utukai Akutru ho. Ufri hakono. Me first experience Meka. The bedroom cry have minty baby. Ba again the minty to be just circle na say menya akani ana menya obi otebrofo a sa de be chi na mi gira ba bia me de me hu se me koteshi ana me kon car be na me de ko eti obetu kwan a enoma ba bio e na esese nipa ohu be de me ma bi aduane me aduane nti kuro bi ho akasa o de be kon na me nko because aduane be bio ha me nim di eti sa kuro no wo ye de wo kwan na ba akoto ho ti be ko pe de ho eti se me so me dokro ti say last year me koi me je me dokro maku 15 de bia ba ako me je me china we de me kan e serious na ye drew skipo na ye de my fast scan mu sa biane nti ma fa share me de kutai hand luggage ye de fa scan ni mu ni ya me say o said obi bia ye kama na ba street wa pick one na wo born far right
on the swap test and
born far right wa it's for come around we call here na ye de knife we twa rubber no oye madam okofa tissue bi or why no e sticker bi wo mu ni what the between I say it's food aduane bi odi ade kan wa bi I poison or say what nam see food yeah the corn say be cheche yeah and we yi the device bi or the eto ho say ni afa ofre ko bi ansa ne nipa ne kan say yes ni na scan at the ko I said also okay I know it's food thank you
ebia tomeda dokro ya o dokro na ho
ebia tomeda so dokro ya o na omuja me catch them say me here connection from flight Schiphol to Frankfurt I got 15 minutes me no omujina ho per flight to a metra ticket for na nyame na ye say na me pie ntem nti aha come doc with you
me be there na from
but here but the mami real Cynthia aduane kasa edoma bi kan ho with you
cultural orientation into baby a wo kono ese hu omo culture omo way of life omo norms laws a ewo ho ese otumi research na hu sanyama na ansa na wako sometimes no ebia for example you Christian but who call Muslim nation you should not expect say you would maybe even enter with the Bible so you need to know all those kind of things I'm say obi experience or course our countries be not feel so ben asori wo ho you will not get it it's also omo health system the way I sit here corner on insurance obetua sika bebre nti you need to know say be the first aid nyama na beko because some countries be one ma when your prescription and feed doctor who omo
Germany obetua ko hospital 3 times them more paracetamol cry
yes
also go arrest
yes
Ghana hack ya bu doctors nefa Germany here utimi ko or say 3 days ulap yeah contract 3 days unko adwuma eno ano mo aduro bitio
and accommodation so into there we are Ghana utimi dik landlord ka ebia 2 months 3 months 1 year now ntia na honom no entesa eno no ebia arrangement na say first of the every new month you have to pay no matter how nice you are with the person that time you do not win or pamo with your
direct debit into abetomo straight.
Nti say you alternatives ebia all corner the first 2 weeks no wine channel koda and I say motel and I say whatever it is no say yes arrangements na ansa na wako so na be ya unkoda kam ko be na akwa either some ko shelters and I say come one ansa na unya stable place before you can settle down. And another thing so about language sisi no social media and IT technology aba. There are some apps that to me download Emma to me boy with language. Into unim kasa na krana to me using apps no. Now wait to me at least I get to around with basic information out here. Into say you need to be fully prepared. And say to me take be for granted. Ghana sitting a different square from so many countries. Into your quiet and making sure say you gather your home. Weather and see another thing. Who feel say I have no heat in this area man to go prepare home now during winter. Oh, that's true. See,
Maybe to me cause somehow. Me pay heat. See, tell me now we get to cry from October, November, December, January, February, March. I say January. Me heat, but summer no so almost so fair. Summer no fair. Eda your car premier de baha na summertime no munyo. Most what the kid do more, but so that boy to pine. Oh, sorry. Because I'm in there, share. Bikini in a number side in there, no, landed woodland baby a for no more hackney. Hackney with Unam's area, what the car board business here. Because you body in the number, you can sit you make a landing for me, Chiamo.
And I went down so climate change and so ama nyama baby since the way I be only feel say this time they say ebian soto and I say summer na sanyama no etumi sisa etumi kona hokra heat kwa me too no so we need to find out sanyama na and now who also have extra money make you sure say at least for the next 3 months 4 months no say when you juma and now when you obi amboa you should be able to handle yourself.
Besako Germany a day where you tourist a day when you cry now I saw 50 euros there a show a day when you cry there 50 euro
say omasisi say
son our hotel abeka home it's all they say when suani nyina hu wa ha no na kodru ho na ho be kire now experience back home I pre-training ni bi so say bebre no mo family aye aka wo Abrokyire because okodru ho no mo a onim say water heat aye kan ono okọ adwuma no da tifie unyanya adwuma nye eti heat ane besi so saa otibo so mbeso no na ka first wo ma no kotua bia 20 euro ba wo be kan ho a okotua bia 45 euro because what the whole 8 hours na sa no about no kodum no eti month ne beso na ne bill sa akosoro ti afo be ka to se ma mempe one room bi wo ha ma as if you and obe charge you nti no afo ko na wo start to dan ka na afi na wo ka na wo tia wo ntua hwe na dane mame and I bra to me sister to me Akonta to me ni nyina ye nyina yensu asa adwe mame ko
actual last one answer
na me ko kuju ho
and na trust issues who say Ghana say utumi hu obi na waye wadanfo na no but Abrokyire na ntisa say na American trafficking na dey ya organized crime nti ebia baby a ho kono omo monitor won say oye new nti you don't know your whereabouts nti ubi say omo now they will give you ready information but for all you know baby omo no back question no anaju na na e be fa wako nti so make sure say baby obenya information won a trusted a reliable place not just anyone at all.
You can be in a gang.
Yes.
You end up in a gang for them to use you to
they'll come for you, they'll kidnap you and then use you for organ harvesting and so many other things.
What do you Debbie Tobo other Reverend Beto Aso organ harvesting no can you on the buy.
It's one of the forms of reasons and comfort trafficking comfort. It is a kidney nesanyama no kotoa no boarding. But omo to me free and answer omo to me to bibi kakra na omo yi na omo ton they benefits. So that exploitation aspect na ye kano and also some people just carry people to go deception ni bia say okoye adwuma ne samba okodu ho a bibi foforo nti obehu na omutumi sedate omutumi wo nyama nti ba sorry na hu say bibi aye wo later kra na obehu say na bibi happy but too late,
which is the old cano the madri kusi meko menua Kojo Martin ono ye PR ema Ghanaian community omo Kuwait na oyobia Kojo Otemenka hello Kojo Otemenka atise Kojo Nyabotre mame mehwe ewo ha se me ha se ya Kojo Martin ye obia Kojo Otemenka okay. Yo, Kojo, what's ye the pay me and sa aka enyina also da Ghana for a war Kuwait a doma no na kasama or mo ye say chairman or vice or pay for nyina or but they be anam so na kasama for bi okra madakra between ya be 4 messages from you say or become a platform ho mo amonam Kokomremre street nso no mama fa ho mo kofa ka okudi obo ha wo ba aveno ha ka ofa ha street we dru aveno no just okofa chimota nsa no akofie meaning papa to adwuma obo e Ghanaian community ni wo the platform no so a always giving information because our liberty to drive walk around near in adwuma hoye Kojo yenchio what say dem pay for kan nyina nipa de bebrebe dru krom ha sa education way pre-training no omo obi ana what who said that there was share bibi
yo meda was in for was studio na matia adofo so a eti for mo na matia le Ghanaian community in Kuwait ya ba peni a we dia no say ni madam o ye so ba peni de dia madam Getri and Ghana embassy and ye do maso a omo ye dia aboa na we dey mesro kakra bi nso na me de yakọ akwama me mi sister na make say ni kunda for my nyame ya do my sana atim kutuku abodom edua na ebusua ni wokura ebusua ni aso ebusua beka bom aye na yi ntina e kwan wi so me fa so na ma ebusua ni nyina so yakọ e watim kutuku abodom ni etia ni say enokre mesua ade bebre na nka ebra ye tu kwan no tie nya sa disua ye we ya me didi say ki mu bi no ki ye me ye stranded ya na say ye me kro no ma ye betete because o share eduma bi ti say kadama work I be can say domestic workers na e wo kro mu ha na 2016 na Ghana aban etu mo kra they say so be Kuwait abaye ifi eduma o meye but ne kwafa ba na tre say the ma ban di tumu and say me dey case study ni kire say ni mudie mpanimfo yi kire ene no eni padodo na e ba ye no na eni say ni mudie no enti obi wo kwa adwuma na wo be ye no won tiase ye na ada bi na nipa bi da no akati wo be je enye no kure ebi ye professional sakura na nke bi o ye no di ni dwuma die bi wo Ghana na ya da de say o ba be ye restaurant o ba be ye we o ba be ye o ba be ba na ye dey asesa. And make the last time one Ghana embassy a orientation at the Ghanaian community a Ukuruman a program on Mutai or Mokasa is a Minister of Foreign Affairs and Integration cry yes say ya or many Kuwait buying Kambumana or my yes say na and to my full free Ghana Abba Kuwait no they will go to sad training ya Mokamuna and many panels when South country be to say Ethiopia for case study or more close for very long time. But now or maybe what you say any kind of moving now or mom sa orientation and there be any part of the Banidi Atali is simply Mrs. Sebra when you might the crop or Ebiako when you might the crop and before any part of the basic language in the Kurana Ebia Obedrua, what you better try when you might the crop. Let I acquire for the power, echo fan no money at it. No matter Bessia now only communicating. Akonta because what friends are working in this. What kind of Africa on the idea. Now there's a sign language now. Mudi didn't come over. We'll feel about then go basic language be to say black hawk, Fahasia, Tamwema, we are. And to the brand, they have bought Arab for now, Basupa say, Omutimini, South people no a year etuma. And to orientation, he said, you don't offend it now, dear be a way, send a doctor, or go school for 6 years. Near man in the year, accountant, any other, the sounds on a did say, and you may be an hour for you. Your mouth wanted to hear a bell, I'm a walk for you to man, a bomb of what's yes, Nasi Bibi Enkoya, also waiting me. Now, or more can say, we will without crony more. Ghana for on form, which is a BB air toner, or a no crepa. A no crep, will be a while. Even I can almost say social media near you. You will let you back contacting me through Facebook, Ghana community platform. Make idea money by and where to my house. But because of farming, 7 men, and you say, we will know can say, only can say, and our band. And yeah, you be without contact through Facebook, or will be near one. Visa to say, because wait, you know, Visa and Visa can go. And this is Europe, the one Visa say, well, where Europe now, where you know, Visa here and the eye. Well, we're here, we'll do our Visa, Visa now, I'm going to say Visa 18, Visa 18 in the Quran. Your project visa, your small project, your government project, your your factory. A PF to my Ubezana, what about the private sector Nankasa? Even the private sector now, Wabano. Who to me, to Mama another company? Because to Mama another company, they consider it is illegal because that company finance and obey grooming, you want to obey Juma. Until recently, I buy a Casa and says working. Now, was a beer mama company, not as I'm going to mama company, beer, may authorization paper. They free me company, you are not a police for Betomia or Manchester. But God be so good, but they have the social social activists near the pressure near the even young Ghana for Ghanaian community in Kuwait, any embassy. Normally, Kuwait Labour Federation, your orientation, any other leaders, you know, programs. Any pressure you go on, say, no, we don't, they need to cancel the kafala system, which means, semi Wokroma, Miakasamia, Visa, direct in Fema Abayano, na Abayano, Mimiam, Cockamageman, Afena, bear 4 days in the Asempa, Kuwait Minister of Interior. Our Deputy Prime Minister, no, Ediabe to Gase, Namia, or more years, say, Bosomeka Kredi, the Boyano. Sense say, no, Ombe rolling out to say, dear, a bina Casanova, or Yevisano, Yama Bina, Ubepias Cadiama. Now, what I look around, Cano, Sikomu, or more proposing Sobetia 750 kg to bear the 1,000 kg, with the less than 1,000 kg. Now, the 1,000 kg cost $1 3 times. If you are the answer, or 1,000 kg, what you wait now, we know is a $3,000 kg. $3,000 and a Diama buying every year. Over $3,000, so 1,000 every 2 more. Over almost $3,000 every year. But I could never say, and Trio, or you without private visa, Biana, waiting in a sponsor, what's our sponsorship system. And you will say, oh, Cronuna. When you will be our sponsor, not as automatically, no. Where you are saying, near my Gulf countries, you know, am I a visa essay, baby, no, say, sponsor and the sponsors in Zambia, company now, we have Mamma, or lose the contract, yeah, automatically, visa and assay. So, lose the contract, one with that company for fraud. And I say, when you find it in here, be not a bino, a broken company, no, a bino broken company automatically. One was saying, I affect myself. One could not company for France, one Ministry of Manpower. Soon, I'm a one could raise the man or my sister one, not to say, and also why they everyone. Now, according to data, Minister, they release here. According to last young Kuano, company of Mukrosu Kuwait, private companies of Mukrosu, see a 3,000. Any companies almost or many planets is a yes one or more across last year any power much expertise or much or more 1 grata or my any adi or more or kutabisa or the year to my any 39,000 and will deport him. So would visa koya to Moha, 80 or more can. So we just have basic understanding where you are. After the Uti Krunma, no one quite the first one. Ube 2 and Amoma and answer Ube Bobula, na Abuana. And the Senna would say, Ebia at times, you can't a man Fabrica, Ebia Fabrica by the book of Fala Pass in the city. The attorney said, I bind the grantee amnesty last year ago. After that, you know, I don't move for me. Simon Casa say, or more Madumo said, or Mountain performing in Grata. I a minister of interior, and a D anymore. Now, first in Ponaka traffic police, other sectors, no air for, but it's all winning at for. Young Grofo, yeah, or winning Grata, Kruma. And then, Ghana community, no, because of Ghana, why we work with now, WhatsApp platform is managed by the Ghanaian community in Kuwait, GEK, you creating, you know. And with the end, say be a one now, go PSA, and Grofo, no, waha. Just fatum se wo se me no ebi wo ko ha enkrofo no wa ha wo betimi afa na no pe ko fa bi ya no di krata wo ti me ke me kwa sa me ba wure kro ma na me so mu gira ho akoka ba bia me ko mu wifi e no me ko ma na me se police car ba ku di machi na me se na die besi
Kojo bate Kojo. Yo, Kojo, you that's be brave. Say, pay for better. Say, this is the first episode 1. You better dive details. Nobody be brave. No more Ghana for 2 coin. No more person mu 2 coin. Any omukra na. Omo ayo madwin say ombetu kwan but omo perfutu atena ha so aye adwuma no they have another avenue so omo de boa emrante ne mabawa so say bitime ahye omo ho den aye adwuma be o man ne hia within ne hia conform be boa ye nyina adwane kwa ho anam ne be ye gya ye nkuro nkitwa ne nyina begu kuro kese mu a fini ayi mine ye no konkurase no so a fini ho but ye mre wa for so no omo nyobi anso mu the paradox say na ye mfuo ne nyina no mpayifo ewo afutuo ene ye ye be train ye ho ye akonto no mo ye de ye bekọ na so ye fa kwampa so the part bebre so ba ha benefits o mo nya free ha mpayifo nim ne nyina eti no be da say prof wo ba bi ko yo ye da say
na me pa so ma me fa ade ba ku pen twem na me nya na ko e be say ne me di twem ni say ya start Ramadan e wo Kuwait ya aha ye Gulf country omo de mraba se Ramadan na ya start no ye chew se wudidi wo abonten a ye no ma mienu ai da so ba ko dem bu so me ba ko ana se ye be fine 100 kd ana so be tua 100 kd no no asa ko dem bu so me ba ko enti mesere mi nuanu ma aba foforo no se wo krom ha wo Kuwait krom ha Ramadan ye didi wo abonten ye no mu so wo abonten se wo nye bia didi wo fie so fie na didi wo ko didi wo abonten dia na ne wa nkasa wase Akonta
mesoso Kojo me da se pa ka o se ka next week me mra ma nya ma mu wi an ma ba because me pa bonte didi pa ye da se any afutu a wo de ama ye ne such a message and ye can Abrokyire Nkomo we always let your community leaders know at the wholesome brain to kwa woni e no kan obi o ha esumti mekwaje chinyi osum ese ubetima de o ye na tena baabi ni kro no sum no chese ye nidi said and cry e dru baabi a say ban of drumming also ye sofo hwan janwom no kunko ni jai eso a ubetima bo no problem you see who call Roma saso na wo ban cry and so ba Ghana and I call Rabia di homra so me da say yo doc owo bibi pa esimo ni so am invite multimedia especially me any ecosystem Abrokyire Nkomo any ecosystem mo pese ye beboa mo na yɛne mu nyinaa ɛhyɛ saa dwumadie no ma ne yɛ ewie pɛyɛ te ho kakra kyerɛ in base 2-3 minutes bi yɛnim sɛ yɛbɛtoa so ade no bɛba so date ni nyinaa yɛbɛbusa but te ho kyerɛ deɛ na mopɛ sɛ moyɛ
Ghana Scholarly Society na yɛtena ase din ne ɛhu sɛ ɔmo makɔ school no ebi ewie a ebi mo kɔkyerɛ adeɛ ebi mo so kɔyɛ adwuma obi won so kra ne suku nim de ne nkɔsoro yɛ adwuma ne mpɛn bebre no bon sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ adeɛ no ɔmo gyina fa ɔmo yɛ adwuma no so gyina fa enso wura bank bia akyerɛkyerɛfo ya na kyerɛ ɔmo to yɛ adwuma na adeɛ na den ye wie school na ɔmo kyerɛ adeɛ na we kɔyɛ adwuma na entokwa AC ɔmo ani ni nhia enti yɛ kyina se da bi mpɛn bebre no so yɛ kɔ school na tese abodi na ne de ho awan professor doctor we no one for professor na nhye ne din na ne buofu o kosuku su ne bi kura professor bi wo Fred o boni din ne nko exams obe fail
Samuel Kusi no fail me
so o se what the professor no aboni din ni sa
Samuel Kusi keke
o twene ho anu abisa ho se edien pa ne wo sa de anim
title
o de me class student no first day me title na put it aside the nim ni say we are professor is about productivity edien na obe to me aye we are professor in physics and electrical engineering na we take care bu na say ya emfa nko abosu okan we si form na ye
bohobio
so we are professor in electronics mechanical way ya we engineer wo engine say ya enfre boys no chale ka na say wa ha wo masisi a don't do that
Etiken University ye to promo ho obo ka say mo fefre Peter for no abontin no
enunti na yes enunti na Ghana we say Professor Doolittle because it's about productivity enye title Yesu no Jesus Christ only title bia Paul omuni titles
Obama only title
no enti ba ohwe ensenkyere ne omoye ne niam omoye ya enye title professor na Facebook guy ne de beye Facebook kohwe Uber enye professor title me ye doctor I spent 6 years in my PhD me ye assistant professor in marketing but it's not important edien na wo betumi aye me ba ye ya Monday me co social enterprise Ghana makoye training amomo last year we a conference in the Ghana High Commission 3-day training
o patch say momo group no mo training high gate for
because ye send your problem ye hu problem the ye pese ye training say Ghana Scholarly Society no it's not about titles put it aside it's not about professor put it aside it's not about doctor put it aside what can you do the end result no enechere enye so ye me say me student me cousin ba ko ba visit last year ewo me ho ena oye online owo legon online no lecture ne ba ye na no ena o first day at lecture no introduce me a professor ena obi kasa o say don't you know say it's a privilege say a professor e kire wade I got angry na me say really when you say Akonta na ka me pese school no take professor no on say munyai title na mudi hunahuna ankwala no munjai eyesa akwala ni wie school no okoye adwuma me doctorate student baako oba school no oba Bradford no ena ye point no na me kosi me ni kofie o say na mo de mo titles ne de ase won fa anya hwe na mka ten say no title fa wonko wo ye professor wo ko hospital a wo bewu ye kwasie ya wo title na angel
do
me bawo enti no de ye pese sese ye kire ne say ye njai titles ne kakra na ni pantimi mra ye nchen o so hu ukọ adwuma mu a e wo se wotimi ne omotena se titles na ye too much enti no politicians in person be hwe yanim adwuma ye fon person be en kuyen obi a professor ebi kura na nankro pese onyako on hwe wanim because all the title den hunu akwala na wo school edie na betia ye professor in marketing okwa aboso kan a na wa kire o mo sene o mbedi dwa ye maame no mo ton tomatoes no Akonta obi no ye professor sen wo mo
oh yes
Unima de Corintia, a mama come 100 asa line. Eton tomatoes no. E bedru 5 o'clock no be enya profit akofie akoye aduane adi. Ahwe ne ba wo university. Marketing be ne sense ade we. Professor bia ntimi nkyere sa amamefo na dwuma.
Crop the bachelor.
Omo ne be ukwaboso kan ya boys yi. Oma no the salesperson bia ansen wo mo.
Mami fa to asoma.
Eno ntina ye conference no 17th to 19th. Yenye ni se esukufo na ya pampi no. You invite High Commissioner, Ghana High Commissioner to UK.
Right.
Madam Zita Nyamishrano.
Oba Bruni.
Oba. And a Sri Lanka High Commissioner. Omo kradi omo pese omo yusu professionals no na ye training ema businesses no in Sri Lanka. One more madwene no omo de ye no. Enye titles no. And a social enterprise kujo obeba. And I had the privilege mene Dr. Kofi Kulujesen settle ono so beba ena my friend is saying Barbara Kai ono so senior manager MTN fintech group no ono so beba ena yenyanka saye papa honorable Setepe ono so obeba
former finance minister
se so na advice ono so no ono so agiatum enti no ya fa adwumayefo ya fa empanyifo kwan ba ne be fa so Ghana ye be jai titles na to form na ye di yensa aye adwuma na kru no etumpon na fe nkwala ne ba wo ye professor no no be kasa Akonta okwa check Norway omo ye underwater bridge no ko hwen krofo a omo de omo ye nyame hira ye
Norway I okay because 1 year ago I want to be free by Norway, France, Germany, Holland. Now Norway, going so. Before any suicide and suicide trouble upon which you are crewed to tarry before home. Bako. If you crow, we call you not for tunnel, walk up you at the tarry home. So, yeah, Abrewa. Now, so crew be foul free her call because school. My back with the classrooms in order because when you crew no, for 10 years, I feel like I can't. Obedria or Pompigu or bad and you know, also started school or the class no other. Almost as a mammy, why always sleeping? Or say I'm also working at home.
And now Akonta say, yeah, cano, and your professors in Nana, Osha Obi to say, Patience Abo, Professor Patience Abo. First full professor. You can't professor now, you degrees, you will grace or more. You assistant professor, you associate professor. Aha, Nyamisha, and you full professor. Patience, a full first or bar, what be you full professor? Business school gone. Nyamishrano. Omono, ushe enemo moya, enra oka, professor, vice chancellor, your friend is saying, Accra Technica, na me call the office. Fantastic guy. Saying your person crofu who say, Suku na ye kono. Oshe project a oya. Vice Chancellor na. Ha.
Jame fa unko Drew Airport na obo trail. Na ede ya ahoma no so. Ye bekasa. Na no se kosi sen ni hia wo pa. Wona woni sa omo titles no mo begu ekosi sen. Obi no be ye. Ye mre na ka be say 5 minutes be. It's no me chama. All the airport to do it my sorry. Na me Reverend and Cynthia. Reverend, as some way time no is samaye. And come on a day. Nesu no yan share a dear future pa na woma ye mabruno mo Ghana opeso butu kwai. Any training ayeke training back pa documentation. Documentation. Because obetu sika nyina na ba kodru embassy no connection man nka ho but wona obekọ animu na documentation one kasa no nim enoma wo de ko ne ya de na beka ade ba ko amehu ne se embassies no se o documentation e cleaner nya open no nsa beka etimi me futuo ne se
Kwako ye den. Me de bia asema mbisa no.
Sanu adwuma.
What is the purpose?
Yes, okay, city American sanu adwuma side.
Yeah. Ko ye den. Se sanu adwuma o. Se uko school o ye den o. Nia uko ye bia no. Make sure say document na wo no. Ka no kore. Se ka no kore nia wo pe no nsa beka. Because minimum crofo makwa ye refuse you omo ba back no be kasa o make chom se sanka o document ye clean o de nia wo bia fa kire omo a o won sen kom be ma o eti documentation na hu hia pa se obi kra na ebua wa wan kasa kenkan nia wo de ko no
na be ni so am ko squeeze
o se ni chi wo dan me call a passport office obi ko a passport ye beside say da ben ye wo no so wonim also kai and say na okay can season na kire yin
yes
it is a ukọ embassy na say ukọ pay visa ana bibia say we a business woman at least kakra obetimi aka o me ye adwuma we to tomatoes me to amenya sei me obetimi a kire mu at least we dey say twi kura say brofo 1 2 bi kura na wo ka
na ahokra na ye meyi kakra identity force ye ho say brofo no I de bu say na say use brofo no na answer but bebre nim say mentimi nka brofo no tie be ma me interpreter mama
yeah
no be can but yesusu bi no say interpreter no kra no kan yi say me force
na ya adwen no nti na pre training na ye ka no ehu hia ye hia more training
you trust next week
yes
pacho be search what na next week
matter
catch so papa Mistrena mo kase ene de ordinary femme me hia on next week
but yati
ana ye fa shed afofo
ye be ho adwuma
ye nye ho adwuma Cynthia also dia na wo ka pre training no o ka bibi kakra fa adwuma ena ma ka yi no also so dia na de ka
when some media na say yenya basic skills. So for example, ebi a oye nurse there, but so to me, ebi to me body, ebi to me pamade, ebi to me new aduane. Nti sa basic nyama no, ebi to me church tea like barbering ne sa nyama no. E ho sometimes no ubenya kakra ebi aba na critical la.
Because baba do yi mi ti o Germany no. One buku na urema on you. Germany mini baba or Cologne. So one ring no se me ba eno no ko Ghanaians no nya brofo no kra o Ghanaians am udru ho na o say Ghana need me rema me na yi no o time you saying o did the saying o ring no aka say be Thursday 4:30 and now pay anopa 9 am free to say okay make adwuma wi enti me ba anopa about 9:30 na say one drew on mo a na 9:35 will be board the nation ho abaka spread next thing it's you saloon my Linda me chia UK na yakis minu ba one buku wo mo a
onya
until say bia na oni appointment and we beto ho dey okay obey ya ma but time na omo be appointment nipa ne ba obeka cho so be jai nipa ne dia ma because the time in the adwuma
and our bibi so we say Ghana time ne Abrokyire time but you call honum a you say you make sure say your time no you be adwuma most of the time we no be appointment a we waste time bebre nti yen hwe honum so na baako bi so say hu baby a you call no omolos we say Ghana ye won yemra omo so omo de no nti say you call honum a ye nim kwa na ye mbisa na yenya sign information na be ya nyama na ye wo Ghana freedom ha bebre but to go outside a sheda ni ho sa
eti for higher Asempa 94.7 so for kwa mankwa mani age anwumre workshop na ye ne this week no masua normal bebre na sa normal men kwa menfa meni CSOs ni nyina na atrase se omomra mekire ekwan a akontuo yinua no bebre aye mistakes amakodi uko Togo sisi ya Ghana for bi go aka omoko Canada edoma kogo uko South Africa bi go uko Burkina bi go uko this Côte d'Ivoire the cry the Canada for na you know so Canada na Ghana how nya visa na che Cote d'Ivoire wo dru ho ma wo na wa bedu ho no wo so ye connection mu bi mra anya sa wo ya prison ni nyina e be ka ho asem eti ha ene de dwumadie na isi meda ye maame Cynthia ade ene osofo maame ya na ne di ni mu du
honam
honam aku honam eno na ya na mintimi mo ne ye na ku ndi say straightforward
honam ye jeme
Jimmy na wana be chomo nyumre minim say Mr. Dio what is all bad that to the sachi anama
as a chia Mr. Ivan Skevi and Glorious Abundance Ministries for and I paid for and I CSOs immigration in Ghana omo boy juma papa e boa ban e wo ejuma pa omo ye global compact for migration IOM4 GIZ4 ye che omo ni na
right that's it Cynthia
me cha mama ankasa no my gifty afi dazi me cha no e na me nya no mo nso Charlotte, Charlene, and Russell Smith, and I'm a boss. Nkomo our day international needs Ghana fuina and
obi hwehwe international needs Ghana hefa no be homo
actually what do call Tarazo honum side yeah head office wo but wo other office wo Volta Adidome and Central and Sumineba office
about trafficking so be by Iranian person who chira kwan na babo ho abobeboa
Bekasa and child marriage so adolescents pregnancy youth development child rights issues
so for my also be baby am
yes you La Paz yes your office back La Paz you Kumasi you teach man yes you kai for child rights send your omo yes you ehun bebre youth issues
yeah now ya no mahwe so kokkrafo no so the right am
akaba ko ye chia omo so omo bo aye pa UNFPA UNICEF mo IOM GIZ and a rights to be free other coalitions coalition on child against child trafficking and child labor issues
Ministry of
gender children and social protection and a Ministry of Labor employment and jobs and jobs and employment
to the Ministry of Labor no but
chairman
minister Kumasi Labor Office no dey sorry
and a local government
me dey see Kumasi Labor Office na wasafo no we see that me draw no more ya sorry wo ho ntino eno so say news ye beka ho asem ne nyina achi no ye hia mo say Abrokyire Nkomo mo ba be support ama bibia nti mo ne mo partners in Nkasa no mo support na ye ma more education on migration ye papa kosichum ono ni brofdin oni title aboa programming for 16 years mama nya me birthday na ye fanwie mi akasa me nua owo enyina bantama G run about ni nyina nene mi akasa me ba omo ye twins kra mama happy birthday Nkoma Michael Ajima Yeboa me ba ko pe eno o Atlanta US na me ne minua eye Bismarck Yao Yeboa tuka Bismarck Yeboa na ko na me ma fa yaw na nhye wan de se nya minua no me ne Bismarck ye ba ene ne birthday o Atlanta it's a happy birthday Nkoma Michael Ajima Yeboa omo ye twins sana me from omo ye twins omo ni agi se enwumre omo ati om papa nka omo se memra US but US ya na Mr. Trump then we see time with Dr. Phil ye we nyina na apomuden eni here so anya apomuden a bibia no abetimi ayama na ye time with Dr. Phil and Edru so eti Dr. Edru here doc na o ka bibi nchire okay and then we see here Asempa